So this is class third C, class third C, subject GSC, and date is 22 and 10/2020, and we are studying the revision lesson 5th, the human body, the human body, and revision. So in this lesson 5th, human body, we will study about the skeletal system, muscular system, digestive system, breathing system, and the nervous system. Today we are studying circulatory system. Circulatory system. You know that circulatory system includes the heart, blood vessels, and blood. So circulatory system consists of a pumping organ called heart. It consists of heart, that is the pumping organ which pumps the blood, and thin tubes through which blood flows called blood vessels. Blood vessels. Blood vessels. So heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. The heart pumps blood to different parts of the body. The blood goes to each part of the body through blood vessels. Blood carries oxygen and the food in the form of nutrients to all cells in the body. These cells then produce energy for the body. So this circulatory system consists of the heart, blood vessels, and the blood. Heart pumps the blood. Heart pumps the blood, and by blood vessels, blood reaches to every cell, and it transports the materials. It transports the gases like oxygen, carbon dioxide, and food material and the excretory materials. These are transported by the blood. So its function is to transportation of the blood, and since it is the circulatory system also contain the different type of the blood cells, so some blood cells work for the production of our body. So the heart, once again we can read this circulatory system. This circulatory system consists of a pumping organ called heart and thin tubes through which blood flows called blood vessels. The heart pumps the blood to different parts of the body. The blood goes to each part of the body through blood vessels. The blood carries oxygen and food in the form of nutrients to all cells in the body. The cells then produce energy for the body. So now next system is excretory system. Next system is excretory system. After circulatory system, next system is excretory system. Excretory system. In our body, waste materials are produced, and these waste materials are removed from the body by our the excretory system. So, in the excretory system, diagrams are given here in the nervous system and circulatory system diagrams are given here. So, make the practice for making the diagram. And breathing system also. So what diagrams are given in your book? You have to draw this diagram in your notebook. Now next, excretory system. The excretory system removes the waste materials from the body. The chief organs of this system are the two kidneys. It is consists of the kidneys. How many kidneys are there? Two. A pair of kidneys. Kidneys help to throw out waste in the form of the urine, lungs, and skin. Other part, lungs and skin. These also help to throw out waste as carbon dioxide and sweat. So, excretory system removes the waste materials produced in our body. It is consists of a pair of kidney. Kidney is the main excretory organ which removes the waste in the form of urine, while lungs and skin also help in the respiration by removing carbon dioxide and sweat. Now next on the reproductive system. Next system is reproductive system. Reproductive system. What is a reproductive system? This system is responsible for the production of the offspring. This system produces the offspring, so it plays an important role in the continuation of the species, continuation of the life. If there is no reproduction, no continuation of the life. So, the organs of reproductive system help men and women to have young ones. Life on the planet Earth goes on because of this system only. If there is no reproductive system, there is no reproduction, there is no continuity of the life. So reproduction help in the continuation of the life. So reproduction is process by which organism produces the offsprings. So that is about the reading circulatory system, excretory system and the reproductive system. Now what have you learned? This lesson, what have you learned? So we have to also read these lines. The human body with many parts, like the human body with many parts works like a machine. The skeletal system is made up of bones and Muscular system is made up of muscles. The digestive system helps us to take in food, digest it, and make it ready for use by the body. And the breathing system helps us to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. Next, the various systems regulates and coordinates activities of all other systems of the body. The heart, together with a network of blood vessels, makes up the circulatory system, and the excretory system removes various wastes from the body. And last, the reproductive system helps men and women to have young ones. Now, word powers, you also learn the word powers. Number one is cells, smallest unit and building blocks of the body. Now, next, skeleton, a framework of bones, and food pipe, a tube-like structure from mouth to the stomach, that is called as the food pipe. And nerves, thin wire-like tubes for sending messages from the body organs to the brain and vice versa. That's part of it. Thank you.